Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
This is my best pal Landon.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell button.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday, everybody. Today we're making taco boats out of ground Wagyu and zucchini. So what do we have in these taco boats? Well, first let's talk about the ground Wagyu. Why Wagyu? First of all, it's delicious. And it also has more monounsaturated fat than regular ground beef, which means it's healthy for your heart, cholesterol friendly, and it goes with just about anything, meatloaf, tacos, anything you want to make. The only thing about Wagyu that you may not love is the price tag. It's just a little bit more than regular ground beef. So if you're in the grocery store and you do want to make this taco recipe, but they don't have Wagyu or it just doesn't fit your budget, you can always take a look at the other ground beef options. There's the percentage of fat to lean protein. So if it says 90-10, you've got 90% lean protein, 10% fat. And that is what we call ground sirloin. If you have 85-15, again, 85% lean protein, 15% fat, that is called ground round. 80-20 is ground chuck, and you get the idea. Now, grocery stores are not supposed to go higher than 30% fat, so that's about where it cuts off. Okay, so if you're in the grocery store and there's no words on it, no percentages, and you're just looking for some good healthy ground beef, one thing that you could look for is grass-fed. Now the USDA defines that as any part of the cow's life that it was fed by grass, not necessarily its entire life. That could mean that it was maybe even in a feed trough or a feedlot or something being fed corn or other things. Remember, those other things is what you're eating if you're eating the cow. So you may not want to have hormones, pesticides, antibiotics, and all that stuff too, and the USDA does not regulate that necessarily on grass-fed products. So you want to look for grass-fed, grass-finished. Grass-finished means that it was allowed to have grass its whole life, not necessarily just the first year of the cow's life. So if you're in the grocery store and there's no percentages and there's no words to explain what kind of ground beef it is for you, the best thing to look for is grass-fed and grass-finished. Grass-finished means that the cow was able to be fed grass its whole life. And remember, whatever the cow eats, you're eating. And then last but not least, if you're still completely unsure and you don't know where to even shop for really good quality meat, my family uses Butcher Box. Butcher Box is grass-fed, grass-finished, and there's no hormones and it's antibiotic free. Right? We like that, don't we? So what is in these tacos, guys? What are we going to put in this? We're going to make our own seasoning for the tacos. We're going to use all of these spices here for the seasonings. And we're going to stir in some salsa after we've ground our meat up and cooked it a little bit, and fill in our zucchini boats. Now we've hollowed out some zucchinis, cut them lengthwise and hollowed them out, and then filled them back up with the taco mixture and the cheese on top. And do you want to check them out? Sure.
That looks good.
Well, unfortunately, it's a little hot for you guys to try right now, but we'll have it after, okay? Okay, so here we are on Taco Tuesday, and we want to take that carb out of our taco dinner and replace it with something awesome. Now, you may be getting a little bit bored of your taco salad, so we're going to replace it here with this zucchini boat. Okay, so what did we do first with this? The first thing I did was I preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and then I sliced my washed and dried zucchinis lengthwise. I scooped out the centers, and I'm personally going to save the zucchini from the inside for some egg muffins tomorrow morning with a little crumbled bacon. But you can also throw those back into the mixture depending on if you like zucchini in your taco meat mixture. Next, I ground the meat and drained out the fat. I stirred in the seasonings, let it cook until it was just about done, and then stirred in the salsa. Then I filled in the zucchini boats and cooked those for about 10 to 12 minutes. After that, I added a little bit of cheese on top and cooked them again for another 5 minutes. So what do we have in this? About 140 calories per little taco boat, 6 carbs, 17 proteins, 6 fats, and 2 fibers. So we did a lot of talking in this video, and my shirt actually says doing is greater than talking. You see that? So if you like my shirt and Logan's, you can check us out on weshallDefend.com.
Logan.
Okay, done. Okay, and we're done. And we're done. Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan. Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
And this is...
What is going on?
Hi, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan. Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
Can you just say...
Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
And this is my
Best pal.
best pal Landon.
Let's try just that. But
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
wow, that was really bad.
So, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Oh my God, let's do it again.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Okay.
That was worse. That was worse.
Listen, it's 3.
It also means, okay, can you stop?
Logan.
Do you want to give it a shot, guys? Do you want to try one?
No.
Worst Food Tip Tuesday
Oh my God.
ever.